Today, I'll show you how to record a sales invoice in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a professional invoice, get it into your accounts and send it to your customer, all from within Xero. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to Xero's website. Sign into your Xero account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which shows an overview of your business finances. From here, we're going to head straight to the area where you manage your customer sales. Look toward the main navigation menu at the top of the screen and find the option labeled Business or Sales, depending on your Xero layout. Click on Sales. This is your central hub for anything related to money coming into the business, such as quotes and invoices. It's worth getting familiar with this area because you'll come back here often to track who owes you money and when it's due. Within the Sales section, look for the Invoices option and click on it. This takes you to a list of all your existing invoices, what's been paid, what's awaiting payment, and anything that's overdue. You can think of this page as your accounts receivable control panel. To create a new invoice, we'll move to the next step. On the Invoices page, find the button that says New Invoice or something similar, usually located near the top right. Click New Invoice. This opens up a fresh invoice form. This is where you'll enter all the details you want your customer to see, as well as the information Xero needs to record the sale correctly in your accounts. Now, start entering your invoice details. First, choose the contact or customer you're billing. If they're already in your contact list, you can search and select them. If not, you can quickly add a new contact with their basic information. Next, check the invoice date and due date. Make sure the due date reflects your payment terms, such as 7 days, 14 days, or end of month. Move down to the line items section. Here, enter what you're charging for. Add a description that clearly explains the product or service, set the quantity, unit price, and choose the correct account or revenue category from your chart of accounts. If you charge tax, select the appropriate tax rate so Xero can calculate it automatically. As you fill this in, keep an eye on the subtotal, tax, and total at the bottom to make sure everything looks right. You can also add a reference or invoice number if needed, and include any notes or payment instructions in the message area. This might be things like your bank details, a thank you note, or reminders about late fees. Taking a moment to add clear notes here can reduce payment delays later. Once you've checked that all of your invoice details are correct and complete, you're ready to finalize it. At the bottom of the page, click Approve an Email. Approving the invoice posts it into your accounts, and emailing it sends a copy directly to your customer. Xero will usually show you an email preview so you can confirm the recipient address and the message before sending. After you send it, Xero will track that invoice for you so you can easily see when it's due and whether it's been paid. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully recorded a sales invoice in Xero.